Hello again, Sunny Slope Vikings. I wanted to take this opportunity today because I have been getting a lot of questions and emails regarding Canvas, and I know I covered it very quickly. If this video still doesn't answer your questions again, please contact me for those questions or concerns. I do also want to point you, the email I sent out yesterday also has a similar video that goes over real quick how you would access Canvas. So this is kind of a deeper look into it, because for some of you, especially if you're familiar with Google Classroom from last year, this is going to be new for you. So you're going to want to open a new tab, a new web browser, whatever the case, to get onto a new website. So in your search bar up here, you're going to want to type launch, L-A-U-N-C-H, dot, G-U-H-S-D-A-Z, .org. You're going to hit enter, and that will take you to this site that has all of these links. And in my email, my video yesterday, I kind of clicked on different links. Today we're just going to focus on Canvas here. So I'm going to click on Canvas, and again, it'll give you this blue screen where you log in. Your email and your credentials will obviously look different from mine, but you're going to enter your email for you. That's your student ID at student.guhsdaz.org. For me, because I'm a teacher, it looks different. So whatever you use to log into your school email, that is the same email and password that you're going to use to log in for your Canvas. Once you have those in, you're going to hit enter, and it will take you, oops, try that again. Awesome. So then it'll take you to your dashboard. And again, mine is going to look different from yours. So I'm going to take a look at my period 1 course, and I'm going to go into student view so that we can see how it looks for you. So how it should look for you, I'm looking at your names separately, but it looks like you should all have Canvas. I am going to contact someone later to make sure if any of you were having trouble. Those of you that emailed me, you were having trouble. I'm going to notify our sort of Canvas guru, the person that sets everything up and makes sure everybody is in the right place. So this is what you'll see on our home screen. So to the left, right next to your blue courses, it lets you pick, like if you have math or English or engineering, this is how you'll access your different courses. Hit English, and here is how you'll navigate in our page. So you'll always be dropped off here at home. To get to our week 1 module that has all of our assignments, etc., you're going to hit modules. So right now you'll notice you just have week 1 because we're in week 1. So this is all the content that we'll be covering this week. If you hit Welcome to English 1-2, it's the same sort of picture and little blurb of writing that I had on our home page, and that'll stay there. If you hit Next, you get a remind. So this is what I was talking very quickly through in class. So communication will be key throughout the semester. You're going to be bombarded by information this week, so you may feel overwhelmed. You're not alone. Excuse me. And I don't expect you to master being a freshman by the end of our first day, our first week, or even our first month. A lot has changed, and you not only have to navigate high school, but high school online. So each day will get easier and feel more natural than the last. I promise. To help you feel more confident in our virtual environment, I have created a remind for this class and for each of my classes. So again, right now I'm in period 1, and this will look different. This link will look different for each class, period 3 and period 4. So by the end of this week, notice there's not a due date, but the sooner the better. I would like to see you on our remind. You're going to click here. This is a link to access the join code. I'm just going to hit this very briefly just to show you what it'll populate. Again, period 1, I'm going to exit out. That way you're not too confused because it'll be different join codes. But again, to access period 1, you're going to click here. Period 3 and period 4, you have your own separate page that'll take you to your class's remind link. Again, I'll communicate announcements and upcoming assignment due dates, among other things here. This is one-way communication. I'm going to push stuff out to you, The best way for you to contact me or communicate with me if you have any questions, concerns, again, through email or those WebEx office hours which start tomorrow. Realize my office hours, starting at 1:55, they still come before 3:30, and I do that on purpose so that if you have any questions or concerns about the assignment, you do have a window of opportunity to ask those during office hours. Email, office hours, other relevant information to this course can all be found on our class website, which again, here's a link. It'll take you directly to my site. Contact information, this has office hours and email on it. So look under the contact tab for that information. Here's where we get to assignment submission. So you're going to want to watch this video tomorrow when you have to turn in your first assignment, because your first assignment is a Google Slides and you'll want to know how to submit your finished assignment. So this video tutorial will take you through that. If you hit next, here's our first assignment, getting to know you. So you can preview the slides. This is what I went through in class with you. This shows you all those directions and instructions to actually get your own Google Slides. In order for us to get to know each other, in order to get your own copy of the assignment, you're going to click here. It will force you to make a copy. You're going to make a copy, wait for it to load, and here is your copy of getting to know you. Again, the instructions and my example are all here for you. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom when you're ready, and here's your slide. So all of your stuff, remember those requirements, that minimum 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is where you're going to fit all of that information on there. Last bit about Canvas. When you hit next, you'll notice symbolic story representation. You won't get the assignment instructions until August 11th at 8 a.m. because I haven't introduced that yet. You can see the rubric, but this assignment is locked until August 11th. You'll be able to see our email signature, which again isn't going to come until Thursday. But again, that last assignment of the week, functional writing, it's locked until August 12th. We don't have to worry about it. We don't have to think about it. I will introduce it on August 12th. So if we hit modules again, you can always, if you already looked through Remind, or you want to skip it for now, or you want to skip assignment submission, just click on where you want to go. It'll take you there. Okay? And last bit, if you land on home, this is how you can navigate on the left side. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice a to-do list. So again, if you hit functional writing or symbolic story representation, those assignments are locked. So there's no point in viewing them right at this moment. Your getting to know you is unlocked. So if you click on that link, it'll then also take you directly to this part of the module where you can click here and start making your slide. Once you click here and you make yourself a copy, at that point, you have a copy in your Google Drive account. So if you made a copy, you want to take a break, access it later, you don't have to make another copy. You would just then access through your school Gmail account, your Google Drive, and find the copy that you previously made. If you still have any questions or concerns, again, hit me up via email. I'm going to look through my email and try and answer those as they come up as quickly as possible. I wanted to send out this mass email, this tutorial video. I apologize it's so long, but to cover some of those frequently asked questions. So again, any other questions, concerns, let me know.